Hi, welcome to my Buyak TV channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic, especially those who are fan of using infinitive. Now, guys, in using infinitive, you must be careful, no? Because according to the rule of grammar, when you use infinitive, be sure that the next word is a verb in a present form. For example, when you say to write, no? To write is a verb, no? To write is a verb. So you should not you should not transform it into past tense when you use infinitive. Always present form. So to write, not to wrote. Next is to shout, not to shouted. And to eat, not to ate. Okay? Because that is the rule of grammar. That when you use an infinitive to, it must be followed by a verb in a present form. Okay? So I hope guys, you learned something from me. And thank you so much.